could never answer yes or no, 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 no. Poor old Elijah really never got a kiss. Poor old Elijah, we don't know what he missed. Is it any wonder that his face is red? Elijah, that poor old wooden bed. He always wore his Sunday feathers and held a tomahawk.